Thank you to my fans. Okay. So, anyway, on your table, there should be a Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a wine. So, go ahead and pour some on your glasses before we start our toast. Yes. It's a red wine. Hindi po kayo malalasing dito kasi 17% alcohol lang siya. Okay. Tikim lang, tikim. Ayan. At kung hindi naman po kayo pwede sa alcohol, pwede po kayong mag-toast with water. Okay. Mama, here's a glass for you. Okay, everybody, you could sit down. Okay. So I just wanted to magtatagalog na lang po ako. Pero minsan nahihirapan na ako mag-translate. Okay, I just wanted to propose a toast to my mother, Mama. You know how special you are. They always say Mama is, I'm the mini-me of Mama. I kinda, na-adapt ko yung mga ugali niya, yung mga pamamaraan niya, yung strength and will, and also strong personality. In a good way and sometimes in a bad way. So I am the daughter of Benita Feli Tulani. So I just wanted to propose a toast kasi talagang very special. From California, USA, talagang umuwi po kaming lahat. At alam naman po ninyo, napaka-busy po sa Amerika, napakahirap planuhin for us to be here. Pero talagang si Mama sabi niya, pag di kayo uuwi, magtatampo ako sa inyo. So talagang pinilit po namin to be here. Kasi Mama is 8 decades, so 80 years old. We are so blessed na Mama is still so sharp. At saka, ang galing pa yung magkwenta ay walang calculator. Kaya magpupuntan po kayo sa kanya ay tagkanda niya. Lalo na pagdating sa pera. So anyway, so I just wanted to propose this toast to my mom. I really wish you, good health and less stress. And also, magpakasaya na po kayo sa buhay niyo at magpakasarap na kayo. Dahil ang dalayo na po ng inyong narating. Huwag niyo na po kaming problemahin. May kanya-kanya na po kaming buhay. And, with everything you taught us, I think, we should be able to carry on with that. Okay? So, Mama, I really wish you happy birthday. Dahil wala na dito si Papa, and I'm sure Papa is very happy to see us that all your children are here tonight. Okay? And let's propose the toast. Let's raise our glass. Okay, to Mama Feli. Kampay! Cheers, everyone! Cheers, Mama, cheers. Cheers tayo. Cheers! Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Elizabeth, for the wonderful toast.
Good job.
At sabi ko nga sa inyo, no,